In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the rank function in Tableau. Tableau is a powerful tool for visualizing data and gaining insights, and one of the ways it achieves this is through the use of functions like rank. Let's dive in and explore how you can effectively utilize the rank function for sorting and analyzing your data. First, let's begin by opening the Tableau public app. If you have it installed on your computer, launch it now, and you should see the main interface where you can start working on your data. If you're new to Tableau, don't worry. The user interface is quite intuitive and user-friendly. Once you've got Tableau opened, access your worksheet where you'll be working on your data. You'll typically have a blank canvas where you can start dragging and dropping data fields to build out your visualizations. This is where you'll organize your data to make it interactive and insightful. Next, drag the customer name field to the rows. This step will set up your data structure, essentially listing all the unique customer names vertically in your worksheet, giving you a comprehensive view of your customers. Now, let's focus on sales data. You'll want to drag the sales field over to the columns. Dragging sales to columns will plot the sales data horizontally, aligning it with your customer names, which gives you a clear overview of each customer's sales figures. To make this data more insightful, click the Sort button to arrange your sales data in descending order. This step helps you readily identify your top customers based on sales, as they will now appear at the top of your list. The next step involves a bit more customization. Click on the drop-down arrow in the data pane and create a new parameter. Parameters are great for dynamically modifying your data view, and for this tutorial, we'll set one up to filter our results effectively. Name your new parameter, choose N, and make sure to select integer from the data type options. This naming will help you easily identify the parameter later, and choosing an integer type is important since it allows you to rank customers by whole numbers. Input 10 as the current value for your parameter, then click OK. By setting the current value to 10, you're configuring your worksheet to display the top 10 results, although you can alter this number anytime based on your needs. Move back to the drop-down arrow in the data pane and select to create a calculated field. Calculated fields let you perform complex calculations with your data. Here, name it top N and bottom N, which will represent a logical condition used to rank your dataset efficiently. In this calculated field, type in the query necessary to rank your data. The query functions as your script's core logic, determining how your information is categorized according to rank. Finally, drag this calculated field to the filters card and select true in the prompt that appears. Then click OK. Applying the filter ensures that only the relevant ranked data appears on your worksheet, giving you a streamlined and insightful view of your top and bottom performers based on sales. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully employed the rank function in Tableau to filter and display your data efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy visualizing.